This is the Telemetry Transportation Daily from March 11th, 2025, and I'm Sam Mabuel-Samad, VP of Market Research for Telemetry. In May 2023, Ford became the first automaker to announce it was adopting the Tesla-designed North American charging standard connector for its EVs and would be giving its customers access to the Tesla Supercharger network. This was important because even though Tesla was a competitor, it had by far the most reliable public charging network in North America. Using the superchargers would require a couple of major steps, though. Ford and Tesla would have to update the software on the cars and the chargers to enable access, and physical adapters were needed to connect NACS chargers to Ford EVs with CCS Type 1 charging ports. In February 2024, Ford also became the first automaker to roll out the update to Mach-E, F-150 Lightning, and E-Transit owners, and Tesla updated its version 3 and later chargers. Tesla also manufactured the adapters that would be provided by Ford and other automakers to customers. Unfortunately, Tesla was not able to ramp production of those adapters quickly, so Ford looked elsewhere. They ultimately chose to partner with Lectron, which was already selling a third-party adapter. Ford and Lectron worked together to re-engineer the adapter and thoroughly test it with extreme temperatures, water submersion, dropping it, and even running it over with a Lightning. Ford has now shipped all of the 140,000 complementary adapters to existing customers, and the adapter is now available for all EV drivers to purchase for $200. Ford's no longer offering the Tesla-provided adapters, only the Lectron-built adapters. Aside from the cost of EVs, access to reliable and fast public chargers is one of the key barriers to EV adoption. While it has taken nearly 2 years, thanks in part to Tesla firing and then rehiring its entire Supercharger team last spring, this is at least a bit of progress, but much more still needs to be done. Thanks, and I'll be back again tomorrow with the latest in the mobility sector.